Kawasaki has officially unveiled the 2026 Z650 S for the European market, a new variant of the Z650 that brings a sportier riding position and a more aggressive design compared to the standard model. For now, it's confirmed only for Europe, where it will be sold alongside the regular version. However, certification documents in California suggest it's also heading to the US, possibly replacing the non-S version. So, what's new here? Visually, the Z650 S actually looks closer to the Z500 than the standard Z650. The tank shrouds now extend further forward, with sharp edges above the exposed radiator, while the headlight adopts a triple LED setup similar to the Z500 and Z900. Two lights on top and one in the middle, replacing the single vertical light of the previous model. The Z650S now uses a wider fat bar handlebar, about 30mm broader, and a thicker seat that's 20mm higher than before. Together, these changes create a more forward-leaning, sportier riding posture. Both the rider and passenger seats are wider and more cushioned, and Kawasaki even offers optional seat shapes as official accessories. Mechanically, the bike still shares most components with the regular Z650, a steel trellis frame, 41mm telescopic front fork, and a preload adjustable horizontal backlink rear shock. The main difference lies in the use of round brake discs instead of the previous pedal design. Power still comes from the familiar 649cc DOHC parallel twin engine, producing around 67 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 48.5 pound-feet of torque at 6,700 revolutions per minute. The 4.3-inch TFT display now offers two layout options, a bar-style tachometer similar to the old model, or a new hexagonal design. This screen automatically switches between light and dark modes depending on ambient light and can also be adjusted manually. It connects to Kawasaki's smartphone app to display real-time riding data and vehicle info. Safety and comfort features remain complete. Traction control, assist and slipper clutch, and a redesigned radiator fan cover that directs hot air downward instead of toward the rider. The ABS unit is now a newer Continental system. Up front, twin 300mm discs with dual piston calipers handle braking duties, while the rear uses a 220mm single disc. Seat height has increased from 790 to about 810mm. For Europe, three color options are available: black with a gold frame, Kawasaki lime green, and all black with a matching black frame. On Kawasaki UK's official site, the 2026 Z650S is listed at £7,199. Aesthetically, it's definitely an improvement, though performance-wise, nothing's really changed. Underneath, it's still the same engine that dates all the way back to the 2009 ER6N, which later evolved into today's Z650. The parallel twin remains a solid performer with good mid-range torque in a light, friendly package. Its only weakness? The modest 67 horsepower, which leaves it near the bottom of its class. Still, the sharper, more muscular styling now brings it closer to its big brother, the Z900. And that's a good thing. Aside from the cosmetic and ergonomic updates, though, there's not much else to celebrate. Maybe by 2032, Kawasaki will finally give it the true level-up treatment like a proper USD front fork. So, what do you think about this so-called level-up? Is the Z650S still an appealing choice for 2026, or should Kawasaki have gone further with a new engine and bigger upgrades? That's it for now. If you enjoyed this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming bike news. See you in the next video.